What's the one feature that can instantly make a smartwatch feel like a proper watch again? For many people, it's that satisfying rotating bezel. Not everyone notices it at first, but once you've used a Galaxy watch with a physical rotating bezel, there's just no going back. That feeling of precision and control as you twist your way through menus, combined with a design that actually looks like a traditional timepiece, is something fans have missed for a while. And now, with the release of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Samsung has not only brought that beloved feature back, it's refined it in a way that will win over even more users. So let's talk about why this might just be the smartwatch you've been waiting for. You see, Samsung's smartwatches have always walked a fine line between tech and tradition. While they've led the way with health features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, SPOT sensors, and fitness coaching, the design hasn't always clicked with everyone. The Galaxy Watch 7, for example, was technically excellent but lacked the one detail fans truly cared about, that physical rotating bezel. It was a clean and futuristic design, sure, but it felt like something was missing. And for users who value that tactile interaction, skipping the bezel was a deal-breaker. But now, Samsung has listened. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings that physical rotating bezel back, and this time it's not just about function, it's about style too. The bezel has deeper ridges, making it feel more premium to the touch and adding a classic mechanical vibe. It's designed in a way that reminds you of luxury analog watches, not just digital wearables. Samsung even brought back the 60-second scale around the screen, which helps the watch feel more grounded in traditional design while offering all the modern perks. What's really smart here is that Samsung didn't compromise on technology. To bring back the bezel, you're still getting everything that makes the Galaxy Watch great: the latest health tracking tools, smart notifications, smooth performance, and long battery life. It's expected to last over a full day on a single charge and support fast charging. The Watch 8 Classic runs on the latest version of Wear OS and Samsung's One UI watch, which means smoother animations, more accurate health metrics, and even better app support. Whether you're tracking your steps, checking your electrocardiogram, or ECG readings, or setting reminders, everything just works seamlessly. But beyond the features, what really makes this watch stand out is how it feels. There's something personal about a watch. It's on your wrist all day and it becomes part of your style. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic understands that. The deeper grooves on the bezel, the solid stainless steel build, and the return of a more classic shape make it something you'll actually want to wear whether you're heading to a workout or to a dinner. And here's the kicker: Samsung is also offering a $50 United States dollar discount for those who pre-order, bringing the price down to around $449 United States dollars. That's a solid deal, especially when you consider how much you're getting here: a beautiful rotating bezel, a refined design, and all the tech you could ask for in a smartwatch that checks all the boxes. For anyone who skipped the Galaxy Watch 7 because it just didn't feel right, this is your chance to jump back in. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is what happens when a company actually listens to its users. It didn't just bring the bezel back. For the sake of nostalgia, it made it better, more refined, and more stylish than before. So if you've been waiting for a smartwatch that looks and feels like a proper watch but still gives you top-tier performance, this might be the one. Let us know what you think about the rotating bezel comeback. Are you team bezel or not bothered by it? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech.